Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here, or welcome. I wanted to talk to you guys today about why I joined Exitus, what was the reasoning, and one, I wanted an opportunity where I didn't have to fear bringing anyone into it. Uh, I've done businesses in the past where they seem great, they're running really good for a year, maybe 2 years at the most, and they end up failing because of a bad owner who drives the business into the ground and doesn't really care about helping us affiliates. And so I've been in a couple of those opportunities in the past. I've done some that were okay, but for the last few years, I was looking for a place I could call uh, home for my primary business. And I picked Exitus Elite, one, because I had a friend who's been in it for many years, and he was making really good money over those years. I think he's been around in it for like 7 years. And and I wanted a platform where I didn't have to fear bringing anyone into it. Another reason, it's been around for 9 years. It's proven itself. It has a great owner. Paul Stevenson's terrific. If you're ever in one of our webinars, if you do end up joining, you can tell this guy cares about his company and making it uh, so that us members and us affiliates can really start making money, because he's making updates to it to help improve our marketing and just making it a better opportunity. And 9 years later, he's still adding new things to it. That's unheard of in this industry. One, for it being around for 9 years. Two, it's still getting updated. Very few opportunities that have been around for a long time really make uh, updates. So Exitus Elite is an all-around good opportunity. I also wanted a platform where I didn't have to bring in hundreds of people in order to start making good money. We can make in Exitus Elite between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions. I can make up to 1,000 because I came in at the G1000 product level, and it's been amazing. In February and March, I made $400. I wasn't expecting. Just for somebody on my team upgrading to the new product levels. And when you upgrade in Exitus Elite to the next product levels, you only pay the difference what you already purchased. So you're not purchasing full retail price for those products. Everything is designed in Exitus Elite to help us affiliates. The opportunity itself, the products, they're all geared to help teach you how to make money online, how to promote Exitus Elite, or any other product or service that you want to do in the future. So, would I recommend Exitus Elite to anyone? Absolutely. It's proven itself. Uh, all I can say is Exitus Elite is fantastic. If you want to check out Exitus Elite, it's in the description below, as well as all my contact information. If you join Exitus Elite, I am accessible. You can call me. But I just absolutely love Exitus Elite, and I can't see myself going to any other business. In my on my Facebook account, I have people asking me to join this business or that business. No, Exitus Elite is my home. I wouldn't spend all this time and energy into making all these videos if I didn't believe in Exitus Elite. So, if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also I'll have a review video of Exitus Elite at the end of this video that will pop up. So if you want to get a more in-depth review of Exitus Elite, it will be there. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.